It's 6:15 a.m. in the morning. Didn't get much sleep last night. Fell asleep after getting my painkillers and my antibiotics at 10. So I guess I could say I was asleep by 10:15. And I slept till 3 a.m. and I've been completely up since then. But thank God I have a TV, I have my phone, and I have a lot of friends that don't sleep. So they were all up and they were talking to me. Very swollen, very bruised, restricted, a lot like yesterday. No pain. They're definitely in control of the whole pain. They're not letting me go near it. I haven't felt it, or I'm just very lucky. Yeah, big bandage. So I have a bandage on top and a bandage underneath, and they're both compressing down and up. Basically the tight one on the bottom is to tighten the wound, make sure it's closed, and the top is to push them down. So I'll update you later. Hello. I'm really sore. I'm really sore. Oh my god. Now stuff is happening. So what is it now? It's around 3 o'clock. The day after surgery. I've been let out of the hospital. I've been to my GP. I've got my medication. The compression bra that was put on me is too small, so it's very tight. It's still on me right now. I'm waiting for my friend to come over and help me change it. I've gone from a 34A to a 36C, and I'm wearing a 34C, which is very tight, and it's actually really tight around where the wounds are. This is my recovery outfit. It's my lovely short shorts and my, I guess you could call it kimono, but it's actually a nightgown. It's a silk nightgown. I have got
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
11 tablets to take every day.
Oh my.
Right, let's do a silhouette. So I'm bruised. I have a small bruise there and I have a massive bruise over here, like massive, ridiculous. And I haven't even seen these scars at all because they are so perky that I actually can't see under my boob. they're that big. Yeah, I'm so happy with the size. Jesus, thank God I didn't get a D. I was all about I want a size D. It's gonna be amazing, it's gonna be big. I don't need that size. I honestly do not need D's. They're way too big. C, natural. I did go for high, my mother can always remember it and I can't.
High volume, no, high power, high profile.
High profile. I went for high profile, meaning that they're going to be very perky and they're always going to be like really in your face, opposed to being very natural and teardroppy, basically. So they'll never be needing a push-up bra to see them. Even though right now, you know, you don't see much because this compression bra is literally covering my whole cleavage.
Did I mention it's very tight? Anyways.
My little pandas. I am going to rest. I have been doing way too much activities today for someone that's on their second day of recovery. I can bring my arms up to here. I can swing them, but like if I start using the other part of my arm, my elbow up to my shoulder, that's when it starts hurting. Closing doors, opening doors, oh my god, going to the bathroom this morning, that was an experience. That door was so heavy. It hurts to talk, I'm going to stop. Okay, my little pandas, okay. Stop looking at yourself, but you're so gorgeous. Okay, bye. Hello. It's 11:30 at night time, and yeah, I've had all my meds. I've counted how many meds I'm on. Every day I take 15 tablets. That's a lot of drugs. Sore. I am sore. I can say that, and it really does hurt to actually hold this camera. So I shouldn't speak for too long. I'm just really happy to just have the surgery over and done with, because it really was a stress, and it was a long time waiting, to be honest, you know, to want the surgery, but then to actually say I'm getting it and then have to put down the money 2 months ago. oh my god, that was a long wait, because I was just like, oh my god, I can like literally taste it, but I can't at the same time because it's still so far away. But yeah, I'm quite sore right now. So basically, oh my god, it's so tight and so sore. So there's my silhouette. I can't show you too much. Yeah, so really restricted. I think I've said that in every update so far, but it's basically, the best way to describe it is restricted. I'm very tight, I'm very hard to breathe, but that's just, it's what you have to do at the start. You have to compress it, you have to keep everything together and just get on with it. So that is the end of day 2, I guess you could say. That is the end of day 2. So I'll update you on day 3. Hello. Hi day 3. I don't know what to say. I'm really sore. More bruises. I'm very sore. I have painkillers, I have antibiotics, I have all my medication. I'm just trying to relax at home and yeah, just trying to get past the recovery stage basically. I have people coming over, people taking turn coming over and just keeping me company, looking after me, keeping me fed. Oh, I kind of like have anxiety today. Today is like, there's a lot of swelling. Like my chest is swollen, obviously my actual chest is swollen, but then my actual ribs are swollen down to my waist, whereas my waist goes in, which is like extra swelling, then my waist goes in, and then show my normal hips. So it's just like extra definition there because of the swelling. So like, it's kind of like anxiety I got today from just being very powerless and just having to just embrace it and just get on with my recovery and just wait for it to get better. I'm still really out of breath because it's just really tight and really, it's just an overwhelming kind of feeling. But so worth it. I'm so happy. So happy. And just, I'm tired. There wasn't much sleep happening last night either. It's just an awkward positioning, having to sit up in bed and sleep, and there isn't much sleep happening. And then when I wake up for good, like I woke up 6:30 for good, and it's now 11:30 in the morning. So I've been up for a few hours. I don't know what else to say right now. I guess I'll get back to you in a few hours. Yeah. Let's see if anything's different. See you again in the next update, I guess.